So again, capturing the moment. You can choose the right moment. So no black wizard here in a vulvar state. Again, Dis Mason Council, White Lodge, the local mafias, the local mob. Simon Bailey don't cry, and his blonde host plain clothes lover, not true detective. All in the bag, no Sandringham serial killer, black wizard terrorist is Sheila. Evergreen Toxic Crane Corporation, Saks Goburn Gaffe, Windsor SS. That's the Skoda there, police surrounding my frame, fixed Skoda at Hitchin. No Sombre, autonomy of a crime, no woolly hat, purple guy, no beast of Punjab, Bradford. Serial killer here, there was a man bundled into the back of a red van in Bradford recently in broad daylight. So Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapos, the local Nazis. Again, Simon Bailey don't cry, and his blonde host plain clothes lover, not true detective. And all covering up Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. hybrid host, Red Dragon. His High Royal Blue crime, New Year's Day find, September Blue murder. Certainly not mine. No Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer. Again, they will pay to make you disappear. Has been a silver Ford Focus during the rains in Dis recently. That one's got Nazis on it. Plenty of NOBS and Nazis. And all to cover up a High Royal Blue crime, New Year's Day find, September Blue murder. And certainly not mine. Well, you do have to follow your golden compass. So no black wizard here in a vulvar state. Roy Whiten, White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer.